Montana licenses range from the older style to the style that began being issued in July of 2008. This is the older style of the Montana driver's license. Montana repeats diagonally across the front in UV ink. The state seal is in the center. It also has a non-hyphenated Social Security number or an assigned 9 alpha and numeric characters. The driver's license that was replaced by the current driver's license identification card, known as the middle license, looks like this. For those who are 21 years of age or older, Montana is repeated diagonally in UV ink. The Montana state seal is in the center. The photo is on the left, and a ghost photo is seen at the upper right hand of the card. The birth date format is as such. The first 2 digits equals the month of birth. The next 3 digits are a number assigned by the system. The next 4 digits are the year of birth. The next 2 digits are the Montana statehood, and the last 2 digits are the day of birth. The under 21 ID looks like this. The security features are the same, but the photos are swapped on the ID. If the person is 18 years of age or older, then the ID is valid for persons 18 years of age or older to purchase tobacco products. This is the Montana driver's license that began being issued in July of 2008. The IDs are color-coded by type. Commercial is gold. Regular is blue. Motorcycle is black, and the non-driver identification card is green. All of the driver's licenses will have a salmon-colored sky in the top banner of all driver's licenses. Green sky on non-driver ID cards. Montana printed in the upper right in large custom lettering with Big Sky Country underneath. Map of Montana containing a quick reference identifier indicating the type of document. Map overlaps the corner of the photograph on licenses for people over 21. Repeated overlapping data. Grizzly bear design that floats in overlay. The silhouette of Lewis and Clark with Sacagawea appears as a shadow within the Montana's cardstock. Under ultraviolet lighting, a repeated cross pick and shovel displays in a wallpaper pattern. Back of ID features 2 barcodes. 1D barcode on the left used for internal tracking, and 2D barcode in the middle which contains the data from the front of the card. A pictograph denoting the class of the permit, a serial number matching the barcode, and a description of any restrictions and/or endorsements pertaining to the cardholder. If the ID is horizontal, it was issued to them when they were 21 years of age or older. If they were under the age of 21 when the ID was issued, it will be vertical. But it will expire on their 21st birthday, so a vertical ID is not valid identification to purchase or to consume alcohol, but it will be valid identification to purchase tobacco. In essence, a vertical ID is never acceptable when it comes to purchasing or consuming alcohol, but it is acceptable to purchase tobacco products as long as the person is 18 years of age or older. But if the person receives the vertical card before their 18th birthday, next to the red bar that says under 21 until their 21st birthday, a yellow bar will also state under 18 until. Tribal IDs. As of October 1st, 2007, tribal identification cards are to be treated the same as other statutorily recognized forms of identification for certain purposes, including the purchase of alcohol and tobacco products. Most tribal identification cards do not have an expiration date or identification number, and many use a Social Security number. Blackfeet Indian Reservation, Blackfeet Descendant ID card, and a Blackfeet Enrollment Member ID card, identification, blood degree. The Crow Tribal Membership Identification. Expiration date, blood degree, and enrollment. The Flathead Reservation Confederated Salish and Kootenai Tribal Card IDs. Social Security number, blood degree, enrollment number. Fort Belknap Reservation, Assiniboine Tribal ID card, identification number, blood degree, Social Security number. The Fort Peck Reservation, Assiniboine Sioux Tribal ID card, enrollment number, Social Security number. The North Cheyenne Reservation, Northern Cheyenne Tribal ID card, Social Security number, expiration date. The Rocky Boy Reservation, Chippewa Cree Tribal ID card, Social Security number, expiration date, blood degree, the back of the ID is blank.